Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on today, Sunday, July the 21st, 2019, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We did miss last week. Sorry about that, but we'll talk about why we missed last week if you don't already know in the show today. And we've got lots of things to share with you today. Why we missed the show last week, what we were doing last weekend. It was my birthday weekend and we were doing some shopping, and you may have already seen some of my videos about that. And we're going to get into the theme of the week as well, and the theme of the week is stupid things people do. Not necessarily stupid people, just stupid things people do. And I think we've all have done something stupid in our time, but there are some that are repeat offenders that really get my goat. But we're going to share what you think are some of the stupidest things people have done that you have been witness to. Anyways, that's today's theme, along with lots of other topics and chat. So we encourage you to join us today and join in on the fun and the discussion, and we'll see you later. So that's today, July the 21st, 2019, Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.